Vincent, at kay Mark Reyes. Open the gift! Open sesame! Oh, boy, sa inyo yan, boy! Love ko kayo lahat! Tamba na, haliso! Oh, iso! Pinagastos ko lang talaga kayo.
Magsasalita ako?
Hindi ako. Thank you daw ako sa inyo.
Thank you pa, sa lahat na naituro mo sa akin. I love you. No problem.
I used to rule the world, seas were rising against the world. Now
Cameron, Trisha. Nawa magkasya sa inyo yung mga dresses. Nag-mix up na kasi siya. Live, pamay.
Ako kakamustahin mo. Okay naman, nakaka-stress, pero masaya at pinagpala. Una, next. Thank you.
feel the fear in our enemies' eyes. Listen as the crowd will sing. And now the old king is dead, long live the king. Who made it right here? The key next to walls who close on me. And I discovered that my castle stands. Oh, he loves the sound, he loves the sound. I hear Jeremy.
For all the heartbreaks and regrets in my life, I have asked God for so many times why I had to experience all those. Now I know, because He was preparing me for you. God knew exactly what and who I needed, and it was you.
There was never known its word. That what was when I ruled the world.
Faith comes to commit your lives together. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It is not rude. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It does not keep any record of wrong. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres.
Chanel is wait for my head on silver blade just to pop it on.
Hindi pa nakakakain, mamaya pa. Thank you po sa pag-iwan. Mukbang to, mukbang.
Dalawang plato agad.
God bless the marriage nyo. And invited din kayo sa kasal namin. Pero matagal pa. Thank you for... Siya lang umiiyak siya. Huwag ka mag-cry! Hindi nga, ikaw nga cry. Ayun, thank you for letting me decide for myself kung ano ngayon. Yun lang. Ikakain na siya. Ikaw nga eh.
Ako mauna. Kinakasal na pala talaga ako, no? Hi, love. Magkaon ka na. So, yun. Kanina ko piniisip, nandito na pala talaga tayo sa tagpong ito. Kasi naalala ko dati, chat mo lang sa akin, hi, Kuya Raph. De joke lang.
I can't promise we'll always have it easy, but I promise we'll always have each other. I vow to show up on good days and on bad days and all the in-between. I vow to love you with the same unconditional love Christ has shown us. With you, natutunan kong ang pag-ibig ay hindi lamang isang pakiramdam. It's a choice, a commitment. Pinipili kitang mahalin hindi lamang sa kung ano ka sa araw na ito, but for all that you will become.
Ng langit at ng iyong mata sa gitna ng ilaw ng ating syudad, pwede ba? O huwag nang mag-iiba. Nangangamba palagi ng nag-iisa sa wakas.
My love, my best friend. Pangako, pag nagugutom ako, ipagluluto mo ako. Mali di ata ito nag-type nito ah. Dito lang ako, dito lang ako para sa'yo. At lahat, dahil salamat sa pagtanggap sa human side ko. Prayer ko, sa magdadaang oras, panahon, mga araw, buwan na taon, magkasama nating harapin lagi yung laban. Kasama ang Panginoon.
Salamat sa pagmamahal na walang kupas. Ngayon, pwede na nating magawa lahat ng gusto nating gawin. Pwede na tayong magpuyat and also do long drives. Hindi mo na ako kailangang ihatid sa aming tahanan dahil ngayon ikaw na ang aking tahanan. To my kababata and now a forever part of my kabanata, I love you always in always, my Rafael.